Hey guys, it's Deena Batayeh. Thank you so much for tuning in. So in today's video, I decided to show you a very popular dip that we all love, hummus. And this is actually restaurant style hummus. So as far as ingredients, 1 can of chickpeas, 3 tablespoons of lemon juice, half a cup of lebneh. This is Middle Eastern yogurt, but it's strained yogurt, so it's a little thicker. Half a cup of tahini. This is a Middle Eastern sauce as well. And you guys can find both of these at Middle Eastern markets. And if you can't find the lebneh, you can actually substitute it with sour cream. And the sesame sauce, if you guys can't find it, I can make a video and show you how to make it at home. A pinch of cumin, 3 medium cloves of garlic, and salt to taste. And of course, you're gonna need some oil. Here I'm using vegetable oil, and I have 3 tablespoons of it. So right here I have my food processor. Going to add my 1 can of chickpeas to it. I just like to use the canned ones because they're more convenient for me. And I'm gonna add the garlic as well. And I'm just gonna mix both of these together. Okay. So now it's time to add my lebneh. And this is actually gonna give it the creamy restaurant taste that we all love. I'm also going to add my tahini in there. And I'm just gonna mix all of them together. Now, gonna add my cumin. And of course, some salt. And my lemon juice. And my vegetable oil. That's how it looks after mixing all the ingredients together. And my final step, which is a very important step, is to add 3 pieces of ice in there. And the ice is to give it a thinner consistency and to make it a little lighter. And this is how it should look like. And by the way, what I meant by lighter is lighter in color. And this is it. Keep this in the refrigerator for at least an hour before serving it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and comment below. I'll see you guys in my next video.